カンザス州高付加価値食品加工研究所。ここではさまざまな穀物を使った食品サンプルの製造を行っています。ソルガムへの注目度の高まりを反映するように、近年こちらの施設でもソルガムを使った製品を作ることが増えているといいます。
Pretty much most of them, a lot of corn and a lot of wheat. We're seeing a dramatic increase in the sorghum work I am doing.
These 2 or 3 years, the sorghum work is increasing. That means people are more focusing on and paying attention to sorghum.
Yes, definitely.
This is a bean analog product. This is shaped like a bean. The idea was to imitate a navy bean product. So we use extrusion processing to cook a mixture of sorghum and other grains, but primarily sorghum. And what the process does is it cooks the mixture of sorghum and other grains and then forms it into a bean-like shape. And then it's dried and it's stored in this form, in a dry form. But in this process of extrusion, it gets pre-cooked or cooked thoroughly. So this or similar ailments. So that's another commercial application. This is a pasta product made from a combination of sorghum and soy. And the soy is what lends the dark color here. So you can also have sorghum-based pasta, which is very light in color. This is a macaroni pasta. Both of them are pre-cooked pasta, again made by the extrusion process. The extrusion process serves to cook the sorghum-based dough and form it into the shape, rotini or macaroni. Easy to prepare, similar to the bean analog or rice analog products I talked about. Just soak in hot water for 5 minutes, ready to consume. This lab is the extrusion lab, extrusion processing lab as part of the Department of Grain Science. And we work here on research, teaching, and industry work. And one idea about the wide range of sorghum applications in general, and also what we have been working in, is just looking at these products, which I'll talk about more later. But to give you a broader perspective, the sorghum-related work has been going on for decades in the US and different universities. I've been at Kansas State University for the last 10 years. And from the very beginning, we had projects on sorghum. But more so last few years, we have seen a big increase in sorghum-related research and also funding for the same.
アメリカ農務省の研究施設。こちらには世界中から集まった若い研究者がソルガムを使ったさまざまな食品の開発・研究をしています。
Popcorn ball. Not sure if you're familiar with that, but it's a very common American snack. And the binder is kind of a confectionery binder. We tried the inclusions here is freeze-dried raspberries. We tried many different flavors, but this flavor combination is a raspberry jalapeno flavor.
This is 70% sorghum bread, and I added some raisin and some like orange flavor, like orange zest, and also some spices like the cinnamon and cloves, really popular in the US.
This is Chinese traditional egg noodles. We used 100% sorghum flour and with the other functional ingredients like starch, gum, and egg proteins. And the sorghum flour we used is white color food grade sorghum flour.
Mm. 甘くて、後でピリピリというハラペーノありますね。でもこれ本当に面白い感じですね。軽いやっぱりポップコーンじゃないけどポップソルガムなんで、それにこういろんなフレーバーがあるとこれ受けるかもしれないですね、結構ね。これスープヌードルにすると良さそうですね。やっぱあんまりソルガムだから粉っぽいかなと思ってもそんなことはないですね。結構